Hey guys, welcome to the Catway. So in this video, we are going to solve set 3 from SimCat 2. Before I begin, I would like you to pause the set and try this set on yourself, then move towards the video. So take a screenshot of this page and then let's move towards the questions. So these are the questions which are asked. Take a screenshot of them, try them, and after that watch the video. Okay, so let's start. In all, 525 tourists booked their vacation through branch A and branch B of XYZ Tours Private Limited in the first week of February. The tourists who made the bookings booked their tours either for Turkey only or Italy only, or both Turkey and Italy, or a location other than Turkey and Italy. The following information is also known. 225 bookings were made through branch A. Okay, before moving to the information given, let's make a basic structure. So our basic structure is going to look like this. So this is for A, this is Turkey, this is Italy, and this is for B. I don't know if you remember or not, but we did a same kind of set in our practice sessions where few boys went for went for camping and few of them stayed at home and watched movies and played cards or stuff like that. So it's similar, it's exactly the same kind of set. So the basic structure would must have been aware of it. Let's move towards what the information is given. 225 bookings were made through branch A. Okay, so what are branch A values? They are A, B and C, and here they are D, E and F. Also there are people who did not go to any of the place, so G and N. Let's say it is said that A plus B plus C plus G is equal to 225. Okay, after that it has been given the number of tourists who booked tours to Turkey was 300. Okay, so how many people are going to Turkey? A and C, D and F. So it is being given that A plus C plus D plus F is going to be 300. Also it has been given that similarly the number of tourists who booked tours to Italy was 300. How many are going to Italy? B, C, D, F and E. Okay, so we can write it as B plus C plus E plus F is also 300. Okay, after that it has been given that the number of tourists who booked the tours to only Italy through branch B. So only Italy through branch B is E, is 10% of, let's see what, 10% of number of tourists who book their tours to either Italy or Turkey, but not both together, the two branches taken together. So only Italy and Turkey, that is A plus B plus A plus B plus D plus E. Okay, C and F would not be included. After that, it has been given that the number of tourists who booked their tours to both Turkey and Italy through branch B was 400% more than that to branch A. Okay, so it has been given that F is equal to 5C. Okay, 400% more will means 5 times. Fifth sentence says that a tourist who booked the tours to a location other than Turkey or Italy did the booking only through branch B. So that means there is no G here. So let's remove this, and this is what we have. Okay, there is only N. That is all the people who booked to a place other than Turkey or Italy are only booking it through branch B. Last sentence says to us that the number of tourists who booked their tours only to Turkey was equal to number of tourists who booked their tours to both Turkey and Italy. So we have been given that A plus C is equal to both Turkey and Italy. Sorry, just hold on a second. Let's see what has been said. Number of tourists who booked their tours to only to Turkey. Sorry, only to Turkey. So that is A plus D will be equal to C plus F. That is both of them. Acha, this is what we have as of now. Acha, as you can see that A plus D is equal to C plus F, and here A plus D and C plus F are there, and a whole is equal to 300. So we can definitely say that A plus D is equal to 150. है ना, and we can also write that C plus F is equal to 150. Acha, after C plus F is 150, you can see here it is B plus E plus C plus F. So C plus F is 150, so B plus E would be 300 minus 150. That is B plus E would also be 150. Acha, okay. After you have this, you can see in the main column that 525 was the total number of bookings made. Acha, what we can see here is, see, A A plus B plus C, D plus E plus F plus N. These are the total number of bookings which have been made, and the total number of bookings are equal to 525. From this, we know that A plus D, C plus F, B plus E all are 150 each. So there are 3 150, and there is one N left is equal to 525. So N is equal to 75. Okay, I hope you can calculate it yourself. So we have N is equal to 75. Acha, let's move forward. Let's see what else do we have. Acha, Acha, we have been given that C plus F is equal to 150. Okay, C plus F is 150. we were given that f is equal to 5c. So what we can say is 6c is equal to 150. So we can say that c is equal to 25. If c is equal to 25, s is equal to f is equal to 125. Okay, so these three figures are what we have as of now. Okay, let's move forward. Acha, after that we have been what we have been given is that a plus b plus c was 225, whereas a plus b will be is equal to 200. Reason behind that, because we have found out the value of c. Okay, so we have found out the value of c. Okay, and after that we have been given that, let's see. Okay, so d plus e is the, no, it's not there, so at no place it is present. Acha, what else can we find out? Let's see. We have been given that d plus e. Okay, acha, okay, we have been given that a plus b is equal to 200. Okay, and c plus f is equal to c plus f is equal to, let's say, 150. So the total will be 350. After that we have been given the value of n to be 75. So after it is 375, the total will be 425. After it, what will be left? We will be left with d plus e. So we can say definitely that d plus e is equal to 100. Okay, after that d plus e is equal to 100, we can place both these values here. So we have a plus b as 200 and d plus e as 100. So the total will be 300, and total into 300 into 0.1, sorry, 300 into 0.1 would give me e. So 300 into 0.1 is equal to 30. So we can say that e is equal to 30. Acha, after e is equal to 30, we can say that d is equal to 70. Okay. Acha, a plus d is equal to 150. We have d is equal to 70. So we can say that a will be is equal to 80. Acha, a plus b is equal to 200. So we can say that b will be equal to 120. Okay. So now we have all the values. We have a, b, c. We have d, e, f, and we have n. Now we can answer all of our questions. So the question one is, how many tourists booked their tours to Italy through branch A? So how many are there? They are b plus c. So how many will be there? B, that is 120, and c, that is 25. So a total of 145 will be your answer. Okay. The second question, how many tourists booked a vacation to a location other than Turkey or Italy? That is the value of n it is asking. So it is 75. After that, how many branch B bookings were made? E is not there. That's by fault. How many branch B bookings were made for Turkey and Italy both? Okay, so branch B booking both for Turkey and Italy, it is F. F is equal to 125. So this will be your answer. Okay, the fourth question is, among the tourists who booked through branch A, how many more tourists booked tours to Italy than to Turkey? Acha, so that means C here is constant in both of them, so we do not need C here. So we only have to find out the difference between B and A. B is 120, A is 80, so the difference is 40. Your answer will be 40. So this was also an easy set. If you would have gone through the practice sessions which we have been taking, this would have been a cakewalk, because this is a similar type of set which we have done already. So thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you've understood it well. Thank you.